Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from TapSwap. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So withdrawing money from TapSwap directly is not possible. So what you need to do is to connect your Ton wallet with your TapSwap account. So in order to connect your TapSwap with your Ton Keeper, which is this application right here, you can simply download it from your App Store or Play Store. So you're going to need to simply log into your TapSwap account. So once you have logged in, here on the home page, you will see this Connect Wallet button. Tap on that and your wallet will be connected. And if it's your first time, then it will show you pop-up window where you just have to select Ton Keeper and tap on Connect Wallet button. And once you have connected your Ton wallet with your TapSwap, you need to simply send the money into your Ton Keeper. And then you can simply withdraw it into your bank account. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from TapSwap. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.